I love my roommate's snore. I have tried white noise, the sound of water running over stones, music, movies, and even a metronome to try to sleep. You might laugh at me, but a temporary roomie is snoring loudly, and it is a sleep drug. For the first night or two I felt envy and even a little bit of anger at the bliss this person was obviously enjoying. This snore knocks me out. I sleep like a dead person and wake up feeling refreshed. I am only awake now because the temporary roomie is elsewhere. We don't spend time together, there is no sexual component involved. It is just the damn snore. Would you feel comfortable asking to record this magic?